What's up, AVI fans? Welcome back to another Subi mod. Today we're going to be doing an e-brake mod with the carbon fiber and silver accenting. And here's a Perrin push button. It's going to look nice. It's going to look nice with the interior. You know, it's going to match. And I got these from Subispeed. And so let's get started. I hear that the stock e-brake is held in by glue. So I got a hairdryer here, and we're going to heat it up and remove this handle. Okay, you can feel it coming loose here. Okay, can remove the boot here. And let's see if we can pull it out. Okay, there we go. Now next, take your pliers. I got some fancy pliers here. I'm going to remove the plastic looking button here. And I don't really care if mine gets damaged because I'm not going to use it. So then you just... Yeah, that seemed pretty easy. Wasn't tight at all. Now here we go. Before we tighten all the way down, the e-brake comes with these 3 little screws to tighten these in place. It comes with a little Allen wrench here. I think these are really just for the boot, just to cover them up. Now cover it with the shift boot. And you did it. It's that simple. one of the easiest mods you can do to your Subi's interior, make it stand out. One helpful tip is to make sure that this boot cover, you're not pinching it in the bottom when you're putting this on, or when you're screwing it in, because I had to unscrew it then screw it back in. So make sure this isn't pinched at the bottom. So just like that. Make sure this is aligned down the middle, and there it is. Very cool looking e-brake now, and it matches the interior. Perfect. This was David Subi from AVI, and as always, AVI out.